Road to Moab, Battery Workforce Challenge, Demon Orders Open. All right now on Stellantis Spotlight. The design teams from the Jeep brand and Jeep Performance Parts by Mopar have unveiled a new collection of eye-catching, efficient, and mission-capable concept vehicles for this year's 57th annual Easter Jeep Safari. Electrified power will be front and center, with 4 new electrified concept vehicles, including the Jeep Wrangler Magneto 3.0. The event takes place in Moab, Utah, April 1st through 9th. We've partnered with the U.S. Department of Energy to launch the Battery Workforce Challenge, a program to help develop a highly skilled domestic electric vehicle and battery workforce. The program consists of a 3-year collegiate engineering competition, vocational training, youth education in science, technology, engineering, and math, and career and technical education. For information, visit batchallenge.org. Dodge has opened orders for the most powerful muscle car in the world, the 2023 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170. Dealer allocations can be viewed via the Dodge Horsepower Locator at dodgegarage.com. And finally, as we close out Women's History Month, we're proud to receive the prestigious Women's Business Enterprise National Council honor for America's Top Corporations for Women's Business Enterprises Award. This is the 9th year in a row the company has received recognition for demonstrating a continuous and growing commitment to creating business opportunities for women-owned businesses within supply chains, and successfully implementing diversity and inclusion programs that enable growth and innovation for women's business enterprises. Those are this week's top stories on Stellantis Spotlight. Reporting for Stellantis Digital Media, I'm Peter Spezia.